Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on changing the lower body of your Thermomix TM5. This procedure is essential for maintaining the efficiency and safety of your device. Let's dive into the tools you'll need for this task. First, gather a T20 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a small container to keep screws organized. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix and ensuring it's completely powered down. Safety first. Next, take your T20 Torx screwdriver and remove the screws located on the bottom of the device. There are typically 4 screws holding the lower body in place. Make sure to place these screws in your container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the lower body away from the main unit. You may encounter some resistance, so be patient and ensure that no wires are snagged during this process. As you're working, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris you find inside. A soft cloth will work wonders here, helping to keep your machine in top shape. Now, with the lower body removed, inspect the internal components for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything unusual, we recommend a professional diagnosis without obligation. This can help you determine whether further repairs or replacements are necessary. Next, let's prepare the new lower body for installation. Align it carefully with the main unit, ensuring that all connectors and wires are properly positioned. If you're unsure about handling this alone, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Just think, no calls, no travel. Once aligned, gently press down on the new lower body until it fits snugly against the main unit. Reinsert the screws using your T20 Torx screwdriver. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the new part or the device itself. A firm but gentle hand is all you need. After securing the screws, do a quick check to ensure everything is in place. This is also a good moment to clean any remaining areas that may have accumulated dust during the process. If you feel uncertain at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront with no hidden surprises. Finally, plug your Thermomix back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the lower body of your Thermomix TM5. This simple maintenance task can help extend the life of your device and keep it running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.